Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Campaign Manager for Lead Gen SEO, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into LinkedIn Campaign Manager, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for LinkedIn, which is www.linkedin.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your email or phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Input your email address or phone number in the designated field. Next, click the Next button. You will then be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password in the appropriate field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Click the Sign In button to proceed. After logging in, navigate to the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Locate the work icon represented by a grid of squares. Click on the work icon. From the drop-down menu, find and select Advertise. You will be directed to LinkedIn Campaign Manager. If you manage multiple accounts, select the account you wish to use for lead generation. Once you've chosen your account, you will be taken to the Campaign Manager dashboard. Here, you can review your recent campaigns and performance metrics. To create a new campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. Follow the prompts to set up your lead generation campaign. Make sure to fill in all required fields, including campaign name, objective, and target audience. Once you have configured all settings, review your campaign details carefully. Finally, click on the Launch Campaign button to activate your lead generation efforts. Congratulations, you are now logged into LinkedIn Campaign Manager and ready to generate leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.